Beauty588 again. I'm coming to you guys with something a little different. As you all know, passion twists are the thing right now. So I definitely wanted to try them out. So I was contacted by Hair Belief, and they did send me some twist hair to try out, some passion twist hair to try out. Now I have seen a lot of girls and a lot of women do the passion twist with the water wave free tress hair, but I wasn't really feeling how a lot of the reviews were about the hair, how it would unravel easily, and it just wasn't made to be for passion twists. So I was really excited when Hair Belief contacted me and they said they had a special type of twisting hair just for passion twists. And I was really curious. So I decided to give it a try, and these are my results, and the hair is awesome, let me tell you guys. So let me show you the hair that I received. So I received 6 packs of special passion twist synthetic twisting hair. And it came in, like I said, it was 6 packs, but I only used 4. So this is how the hair looks. It is not, as you can see, it's like a water wave, but it's twisted. Like, it's actual spring twist. So they're actually like springs. And the way this is designed, it is like perfect for passion twist. Water wave hair, it is wavy, but it's not like springy. So this hair really works well for the passion twist. Let me tell you guys, it is awesome. So it is like a, it's definitely a black color. I'm not sure if it comes in other colors. Definitely check the website. But this is how it comes. So I have used a little bit from this pack, so it was more. It actually filled up this whole section. The amount of twist you get fills up this whole section. So this is what I did. I used 4 packs. That was, I thought I wasn't gonna have enough, but it definitely was enough. 6 packs is enough. It depends on how small you make the twist. So unfortunately, this is not a tutorial. I have been wearing this style for about 3 days now because it's my birthday, and I wanted this to be my birthday style. So I had to go ahead and put the hair in, and I was unable to do a tutorial. So I'm really sorry, you guys, but it is definitely tutorials out there using the method that I did. I used the crochet method, the rubber band and the crochet method. So I basically just parted my hair in triangle parts all over my head. They're really different sizes. So this one's like small. They're really, and they're big parts. They're really big parts. The parts are big. And they're not the neatest parts, but they're big triangle parts. But I didn't, because I didn't really want small, super small twists, but I didn't want them huge either. So I thought, depending on because of my box sizes being so big, I thought I was going to run out of hair because I needed so much hair. So when I started at the back and I did a few test twists. One of these twists, this size, and like I said, it's a little fuzzy because I've been wearing it for a few days, but one twist that size takes 3 of these. So 1, 2, 3. This is what I use for one twist because of my box size being so big, and it matches really well. It's full. I thought the twists were going to be too big to where my head looked empty, but it's pretty full. I'm not really sure how many twists I have, but it's a pretty good amount of twists. So 3 of these. The reason why it's so puffy and full, I did have to stretch them. So before you actually use the hair, you definitely have to stretch the hair. See, this is one that just split into 2. That's what you want it to do. You want each one to split into 2. So this one that you have, you need to stretch it. Pull it, stretch it, and make it puffy. You see how it puffs? And then you can split it. That's what you need it to do. So you need it to be like puffy. So that's what happened. And then what I did was, one of my rubber bands, I put the crochet needle through it. I hooked the hair on it. I pulled the hair through. I made a knot, and then I just started twisting. So it is really odd. Like, you have to twist it the correct way or else it's going to unravel. So it was like a few times where I was twisting the wrong way and I made it halfway to the end and I stopped to make sure I was twisting the right way and it ended up being the wrong way. So I had to take it out and retwist it. So depending on what side of your head, sometimes you have to twist going forward. Sometimes you have to twist going back. But this hair was really, really easy to twist. It is smooth. Even now, I did have a few difficulty at the beginning because the hair did get like matted up, but I had to come up with like a system. Like you have to unravel it from like the bottom first. You have to start from the bottom and then unravel it going up. You can't take it from the top and then rip it apart because it's going to tangle at the bottom. So you have to definitely untangle it from the bottom going up, and then it'll untangle smoothly for you. So that's a few tips. Also, when you're putting the twist in your hair, you have to have some kind of gel or cream. Let me grab the cream that I used. This Lock and Twist gel is amazing. ORS Lock and Twist gel. This is amazing. It makes your hair shiny. It makes the weave shiny, and it makes your hair shiny. And it was just perfect. And it made twisting it so much easier. So I'm really good just giving you guys tips on how to make this the best of this hair. Lock and Twist gel, you need something, not a cream, more like a gel. So not like a white cream, but like a clear gel. And then pull the hair, make it puffy. Use 3 strands per twist, depending on how big you want the twist. If you want them a little bit smaller than this, then, 2 strands should be fine. But this is how it should look. And then you rubber band your hair and use the crochet method. So, yep, it came in this bag. So it was 6 packs in this bag from Believe Hair. And you see, I have a whole pack left. And I got a pretty good amount of twist in my hair. So, I mean, it's amazing. Now, I did add some loose pieces, but I see it like it tangles after a while because it's not really meant to be like curly hair. It's meant to be twisted. But I felt like I needed to add something to the style. But see, I don't think it's meant to be like curly, like free stress waterways. So I'll probably end up cutting off the fuzzy part. But I have gotten so many compliments on this hair. Like so many. The twists are so pretty and they're long. They're really long. They go down to my waist. So yeah, they're really nice. Like I said, I've been wearing them for a few days, but you can see, you can kind of see, ooh, my hair is really long. My hair is like all the way down to my armpit. So you can see my hair in between because my hair is brown. But hey, that's just what happens. But the twists are so pretty. Like, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. This hair is really, really good. I'm not going to say it's better than Water Wave because I haven't tried Water Wave, but I've just seen the videos and the girls like rant like they didn't like the way it unraveled because it's not meant to be twist hair. So I really, really like this hair. It's for spring twists. And like I said, yes, it does get a little fuzzy, but I think it makes it look more realistic. But it's really, really pretty. So I did my edges up with a little bit of Gots to Be gel. And it's so pretty. And they did include a few little hair jewels also in my bag. So that was really cute. I didn't have to go buy any. They did include a few hair jewels in this bag. And you definitely can wear it up. You can wear it up in a bun. I wore it up in a bun today when I got in the pool. So this is the rubber band method. So it came out really, really cute. Like, I'm really, really happy with it. And it only took like 2 hours, you guys. Like 2 hours. I started at like 10 and I got done at like 12 at night. But I am loving this. Again, I'm sorry it's not a tutorial. I just did not have time to do the tutorial, but there are plenty of tutorials showing you the crochet method, the rubber band and crochet method. I just wanted to show you guys this hair, that there's another type of hair out there that you can use for your spring twist. If you don't like the way the Water Wave is working, definitely check out the link below. It's an Amazon seller. And I really like it. I really like this hair. It was easy to work with once you find out about how to unravel the hair and make it puffy. From then on, because the hair is curly already, it makes twisting it so much easier, you guys. You have to try it. Like I said, I use 4 packs out of the 6 packs, but it just depends on how big you want the twist, how many strands to use. So once again, I use 3 strands for one of my twists, but you can use 2. I wouldn't recommend using 1, at least 2 for each twist. And it's really easy. It's really easy. So I really do encourage you guys to check the store out. I am loving the hair. I definitely give it a thumbs up. It does make it look more realistic as time goes on. It is really, really nice. Like, no lie. Like, I can't say how I would like pre-tress, but just what I've seen, I think I would rather this type of hair. So definitely check it out. Thanks for looking at my video. I know it wasn't much. I just wanted to show you guys that there's a different type of hair out there. If you don't know what to use, definitely check out the link below. I give it a thumbs up, and it's very affordable as well. So definitely check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Okay, bye.